Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify coverage for antique cars with Hagerty detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify coverage for antique cars with Hagerty, start by visiting the Hagerty website. Once on the home page, look for the Get a Quote button and click on it. You'll be directed to a form that requires some basic information about your antique car. Fill in details such as the make, model, and year of the vehicle. Next, indicate the vehicle's current condition and how you plan to use it. Select the option for classic or antique car insurance. Proceed to provide your contact information, including your name, email address, and phone number. After submitting the form, you may receive a follow-up call or email from a Hagerty representative. During this communication, be prepared to discuss your car's value and any customizations it may have. If you already have coverage, gather your existing insurance documents for reference. Visit the Customer Login section of the Hagerty website. Log in using your credentials to access your policy information. Once logged in, navigate to the section that outlines your current coverage details. Take note of key coverage areas such as liability limits, comprehensive, and collision coverage. If you need to make changes or verify specific aspects of your coverage, look for the Policy Management option. Here, you can request adjustments or updates to your coverage. If further clarification is needed, contact Hagerty's customer service directly via phone or email. Ask your representative specific questions regarding your coverage options and any potential discounts. Lastly, review all information to ensure your antique car is fully covered per your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.